Are you seeing the Steam HTTP module DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. As we get into the manual process for Steam HTTP module, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Steam HTTP module, the library responsible for managing HTTP and HTTPS requests from within the Steam client and games. It handles the fetching of community content, mods, and cloud save manifests. If missing, games will fail to synchronize with the Steam Workshop or will crash when attempting to load the Community Hub overlay. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Steam HTTP is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Steam HTTP module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Manual intervention with Steam HTTP module DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to Steam HTTP module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Steam HTTP module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.